Hello children, good morning. Sit straight in your chairs, join your hands and let's start the prayer. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarna Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogibhirdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. Good morning children. Welcome to your English grammar class. Today's date is 25/1/2021. Day is Monday. We are dealing with chapter 8 from English grammar. Name of the chapter is Action Words. So please open page number 48 in your grammar textbook. Children, see, on page number 48 you have this exercise. Okay, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Look at this, children. Choose the correct option. We have 8 sentences and blanks are given. Okay, we need to fill up these blanks with correct option. Okay, where are the options? These are options. See, options are given in the brackets. 2 options are given in brackets here. In brackets, options are given. All these are options. We need to read the sentence. We need to choose the right answer and write here. Okay, so let's start. First sentence. Look at first sentence, student. Kabir dash in a factory. Kabir dash in a factory. And we have 2 options here. First option is work. W-O-R-K, work, and second option is works. So which is the right option? Work or works? Don't forget the rule. Okay, we have rules. 3 rules. So see the first rule. What is the first rule telling about? If we talk about one person or one animal or one thing, then we add s or es to the action word. Okay, so here Kabir, we are talking about one person. So apply rule 1. We add s or es to the action word. So action word is here work. So we should add s. It means here adding s to the action word. It means works. This is the right answer. Okay. So Kabir works in a factory. Write the answer. Works. W-O-R-K-S. Works. Works is the right answer. See the second one. You, Y-O-U. You dash good English. You dash good English. Look at the options given. 2 options are there in brackets. Speak and speaks. Come to rule number 3. Rule number 3. With I, you, we and they. Here we are speaking about you. Okay. Here also you is there. So with you, what should we do? We do not add s or es to the action word. We do not add. So which is the right answer? Here speak is there. Here speaks is there. We should not add s. So this is the right answer. You speak good English. Right here speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. You speak good English. Come to third one. Boys dash noise. Boys dash noise. Here we are talking about boys. Boys. Okay, attention should go on the naming word. So we are talking about boys. It means many. Look here, children. Rule number 2. More than. When we talk about more than one, it means many. When we talk about more than one is nothing but many people, animals or things. We do not add s or es to the action word. So here also we are talking about many people, okay, many boys. So we do not add s or es. So make or makes, which is the right one? We do not add. So make, don't add s. So boys make, make, make. Boys make noise. Boys make noise is the right answer. Fourth one. Come to fourth one. I dash milk chocolate, and two options are given. Okay. I dash milk chocolate. Hate or hates? Which rule? Rule number 3. With I, we do not add s or es. Do not add. So hate is the right answer because we do not add s or es with I. So I hate milk chocolate. So take the right option and write here. H-A-T-E, hate. I hate milk chocolate. Next. Fifth one. The snail dash on the leaf. The snail dash on the leaf. So here two options are given. Crawl and crawls. Which is the right one? Our attention should go on where? To the naming word. The snail. Snail. How many snails? Just one snail. So when we talk about one person, animal or thing, okay, then we add s or es to the action word. We add s or es. It means here s is there. So crawls. The snail crawls. C-R-A-W-L-S. Crawls on the leaf. The snail crawls on the leaf is the right answer. Sixth one. The sun. The sun dash in the east. The sun dash in the east. Options are given. Rise and rises. Which is the right answer? Our attention should go where? On the naming word. The sun. Okay? Sun. So sun is thing. Let's consider the sun as a thing. So we are talking about, when we talk about one person, one animal or one thing, what should we do? We add s or es. We add s or es to the action word. So add s to the action word. Rises. So the sun, R-I-S-E-S, rises. The sun rises in the east is the right sentence. The sun rises in the east is the right sentence. Seventh one. Paper boats dash on water. Paper boats dash on water. Options given are float and floats. So pay attention to the naming word. Paper boats. It means many boats. Many paper boats. So it means many things. If we talk about many, more than one is many. Okay. When we talk about many people, animals or things, then we do not add s or es. We do not add. So paper boats float. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Paper boats float. They float on water. Last one. We dash our hands before eating food? Options are wash and washes. We. So come here. With I, you, we and they. So we is here. What should we do? We do not add S or ES. We do not add S or ES. So do not add. So this is wrong. This is right. We wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. We wash our hands before eating food. Okay. So remembering these rules, these 3 rules is very much important. Okay, children. So whenever you do the exercise, keep reading them. Okay, so that they will register in your mind. So whenever you look at a sentence, then you will be able to choose the right action word there. Okay. So please finish this exercise. Let's do one more exercise, children. Let's do next exercise also. Hi children, look at this. On same page, in page number 48, you have this exercise also. Okay. Exercise, practice exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Where are the blanks? Here are the blanks. So we need to fill up these blanks. How? How should we fill in? With use the right form of action word in the brackets. Use the right form of action words in the brackets. Okay. So in the bracket, action words are given. We need to choose the right form of action word. Okay. So let's start this exercise, children. Look at this, children. First one, bats dash during the day. Here bats is, bats are, one bat is the cricket bat what you play. The other bat is, it is a bird. Okay. So bats. So what bats do is bats dash during the day. Here action word is given sleep. So pay attention to the noun here, naming word bats. It means many. Bats, many. So when we talk about more than one, many, what should we do? We do not add S or ES. We do not add. So sleep also becomes sleep only. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Because we should not add S to the action word. So in bracket sleep is given. We'll write sleep only here. Bats sleep during the day. Okay. Bats sleep during the day. See the second one. The man dash the bike. The man dash the bike. And what's given in the brackets? Ride. Ride. Pay attention to the naming word. The man. Man. So we are speaking about only one man. So when we speak about one person, what should we do? Add S or ES. So the man rides. R-I-D-E. Ride is given here. So just we need to add S. R-I-D-E. Ride and add S. We add S to the naming word. The man rides the bike. Third one. The gardener dash the plants. The gardener dash the plants. Okay. What's given here? Water. The gardener dash the plants. Water. The gardener. Gardener. We are talking about only one gardener. So when we talk about one person, what should we do? We add S or ES. So the gardener waters. Water will become waters. W-A-T-E-R. Water and add S. Waters. The gardener waters the plants. Fourth one. I dash softly. I dash softly. Action word given here is talk. And I. With the I, we do not add S. We do not add S. So, I talk. In brackets, talk is given. So, we will write same here because we should not add S. T-A-L-K, talk. I talk softly. I talk softly. Number 5. Girls dash at his joke. Girls dash at his joke. What's given here? Laugh. So, pay attention to the naming word. Girls. Many. So, when we talk about many, do not add S. Do not add S. So, laugh. Write laugh as it is. L-A-U-G-H. Because do not add S. Girls laugh at his joke. 6th one. Joe and Jane dash to play the guitar. Joe and Jane dash to play the guitar. Given here, what's the action word given here? Learn. So, pay attention to the naming word. Joe and Jane. How many are there? 2 are there. 2 persons are there. Joe and Jane. So, when we talk about many people, then do not add S. Do not add S. So, learn is given here. We will write learn as it is. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Joe and Jane learn to play guitar. Okay. Number 7. Sonali dash some tea. Sonali dash some tea. Okay. What's given here? Want. Want. So, Sonali is name of a girl. So, how many? Just one person. With one person, we add S. We add S with one person. So, want becomes wants. W-A-N-T-S. Wants. So, Sonali wants some tea. Sonali wants some tea. Last one, 8th one. The gold ring dash 100 rupees. The gold ring dash 100 rupees. So, we are talking about gold ring. How many rings? Only one ring. So, one thing. When we talk about just one person, animal or one thing, we add S or ES. So, the gold ring cost becomes costs. C-O-S-T and add S. Because we are talking about only one thing. The gold ring costs 100 rupees. So, this is how you need to change the form of the given action word here. First, we need to pay attention to the naming words and then we need to apply the right rule to add S or ES or to leave the verb without adding any S or ES. That's all for today, children. Please finish this exercise also in your textbook. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Meet you again in EVS class. Okay, tata, bye bye.